attempt at that time, so that I'm talking 7 years ago, for someone in Macedonia to talk about philosophy and film. So what we tried to do, our idea at that time was to try to create a non-formal space where the students could meet and exchange ideas. And why did we choose the medium of film? Because at that time we thought that that's the most immediate way to trigger and provoke philosophical discussion. So we were trying to choose the movies and then try to provoke debates after. So after 3 editions, the festival became a cultural manifestation of the society. And since 2 years ago, we are in the Cinematheque of Macedonia, and the festival has become part of the cultural life of the city. So we are organizing it in collaboration with the city of Skopje and with few institutions in there. So it's not only about presenting to the wider audience or to the general public movies that we find can be relevant and can trigger philosophical reflection, after which we have debates with the public, but also try to connect all the institutions in the country that in one way or another are related to philosophy or film. So we have the public university that has an institute of philosophy, and then we have a film academy as one of our partners. We have the Cinematheque, and since recently the Youth Cultural Center in Skopje. We have organized so far 6 editions. The 7th one is in preparation. The festival is in April taking place.